What's the meaning of battle-scarred? Battle-scarred. Battle-scarred.
Battle-scarred. Battle-scarred. The term battle-scarred typically refers to a person or object that has been through a significant amount of hardship or turmoil, often in the context of a war or conflict. It suggests that the individual or item in question bears visible physical and emotional marks of these experiences, indicating that they have been deeply affected by them. Despite the challenges they have faced, however, the term also implies a sense of resilience and strength, as the person or object has managed to survive and persevere through difficult times. Overall, battle-scarred is a powerful term that speaks to the enduring impact of conflict and adversity on human beings and their surroundings.